a true mountain experience. With the rocking chair front porch, this luxurious mountain cabin boasts a flowing open floor plan, 3 levels of living, an all-wood interior, soaring cathedral ceilings, a rock fireplace, hardwood floors, and much more. This includes 3 lots totaling 5.25 acres. Walk upstairs to the large suite with a private screened-in balcony looking out to the North Georgia mountains. The finished basement offers a second living area/den and a 3rd bedroom/bath. Gather outdoors on the wraparound decks, relax in the hot tub, walk down to the fire pit, or go check out the small pond and breathe in the crisp mountain air. Flaming azaleas, mountain laurels, and rhododendron surround the property. Circular stone driveway and a storage shed. Located between Blue Ridge and Blairsville with easy paved access off of Highway 515, you are near hiking/biking trails, the Toccoa River, Lake Blue Ridge, Lake Nottely, Merciers Orchards.